Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to thaw frozen bread. Let's get to it. Okay, so before I get started talking on bread, let's talk about coffee. If you like coffee, if you like to drink coffee, you might actually like to eat coffee. So I did a cookbook on cooking with coffee. You can get it on Amazon or Etsy. You can get signed copies on Etsy. So if you want coffee related things, be sure to check that out, made with coffee. Okay, bread, frozen bread. So if you want to thaw out frozen bread, the easiest way is just take it out of the freezer, put it in the fridge, let it thaw out overnight. But depending on how fast you want to use that frozen bread, you can just pull off a slice at a time and stick it straight into the toaster. The toaster will thaw it out for you. It's completely safe to do, easy to do, so you can pull off a slice at a time and then keep the frozen bread in the freezer, because stored properly, frozen bread can stay in there for about 6 months. You can also wrap it up in a wet paper towel and put it in the microwave and just microwave it for about 30 seconds. That will also thaw it out and keep that moisture in. One of the things about thawing out bread is that it can get dried out in the process, so the microwave method is also really nice. One last method that works really well if you're not working with sliced bread, but maybe you're working with baguettes or something like that, you can actually put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and this will do a hot thaw. But the thing about this one particular method is that once it comes out of that oven, you want to eat it really quickly. It's going to go stale very, very fast. So don't leave it out. Don't do that and expect to eat it the next day. Whereas like the frozen bread that you put in the microwave or the toaster, it's not going to get as stale as quickly. If you like this tip, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment down below. If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. Oh, also, be sure to check out my book.